Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where you can create the very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you are able to create your classified backlink in this website like the ad submission backlink. So in this video I can show you the process how you can create your profile backlink and the ad submission backlink. And the mostly this site will give you the no follow link, but I can tell you how you can get the do follow link from this site. Okay, so you can see this is a website interface, and before they started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 70, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 75, and the spam score is only 1%. So let's start. First, you guys will click on the sign up button. Then here you can put your email address. So let me use this email. You can paste it here. Then after, you guys will choose your password. After, you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Click on the sign up button. So you can see our profile is successfully created. Now you guys will get the verification email. So you can see I received the verification email. You can open this, click on the verify now, and your account is successfully verified. Now you can click on this to navigate to your profile. You can see there is a community, so you can click on the community profile. So you can click on the create. First we can going to upload or update the profile picture. Here you can put your legal name. Then after you can select the sex, and from there you can select your country. So I'm from India, so let me search Indian. After, you can click on the save button. So you can see we successfully created our profile. So how you guys will get the do follow backlink? So you can see if I can click on this to add the personal details. So from there you can add your personal details like your company description. So let me use this. And here you can add your website URL. So you are only able to add a maximum 250 characters, a profile description only. Here we can going to add our website URL. So this is my website DML training. Let me put the URL here, and also you are able to add your blog URL. So definitely we can add. After that you guys will update. So our personal detail is successfully updated. You can see it here. If you're wanting, so you can also add your contact details and the professional details. And here we going to add something description here. So the best digital marketing training and service, please company DML training. Also we can going to add some the branding. So how you can create you can add your backlink here. So I can show you the process. So simply you can open my website, then you can navigate to the tool section. You can see there is a URL to HTML link converter. You can open this page. Here you can put your website URL. So suppose I'm going to create backlink for my home page. So you can put your homepage URL, and you can type your keyword. So like the digital marketing training, and also I can going to add another URL here. So you can click on the enter button. You can paste your URL, and you can follow the same process for you can add your keywords, so the backlinks, and also I can add some another. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Like I can going to create a backlink for my tools. So suppose like this is my tool image to WebP converter. You can also add your multiple URLs. You can create backlink for the multiple pages. So let me copy this keyword. You can paste it. After, you can click on the generate link button. So you will get the hyperlink text with your website URL and your keyword. After, you can click on the copy to clipboard. So this text is successfully copied. Now we go back to the page. You can paste this code here. After, you can click on the save button. So you can see we successfully created our profile, and I can show you how you can create your classified backlink in this website. So simply you can click on the jobs button. You can see from there you can post your ads. So post a free ad. You can click on this. This site will navigate you. So you can select your category. So technology and earning. So we can click on this: computer, engineering, information technology, web design, web development. So we can choose this. So here you can add the best website designing company DML training. Here we can add some description. Ads look better without a capital. So now we can add some description here. So let me use this for now only. You can put your content here. After, you can select your language from there. You can select your country. So I'm in India. So let me choose where you want to run your ads. So you can select your country. After, you can choose your employment type, like the full-time or anything. Salary note, a company name. So there you can add your company name. Email training. After, you can upload some pictures. So I can select my website logo. Click on OK button. There you can add your website URL, and you can also add your contact number if you want. Area. So I'm in Delhi. And you can see we successfully created it. After, you can click on the post button. So you can see your ads look like this. So we can clicking to the continue. So you can click on the continue to my ads. Just you can ignore it. If you can click on this, so you can see this is our backlink, the best website designing company DML training. This is our logo. This is a description. This is our website URL. This is a no follow backlink. And if you guys will click on this, so I can show you how you guys will get your profile URL. So if I can click on this, my ads, let me navigate to my account, edit my profile. If I can click in here, let me click the profile, and here you can type slash, and then you can use DML. Then you can type oh sorry, DML. Let me. Then you can type your username. Then you are able to access your profile landing page. So what you can do, you can I can provide this link in the description section. What you can change only your username. Then you are able to access your profile. Okay. So if I can show you, this backlink is do follow or no follow. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. So we created a profile backlink where we get a do follow backlink, and also we created a forum, classified ads backlink. And you can see there is a forum section. So let's explore. So if you want, so you can also create your forum backlink in this website. So post a new forum. So let me use best digital marketing training company DML, and here you can add your description, and then you can select your language, the publish from, category. Then after, you can click on the post button. So you can see your post is successfully saved. So if I can click on the my forums post, so you do not have any post, might it will take some time. So I have no idea on this DML training. So you can see this is my profile and my updates, and the so we created a profile backlink and the forum backlink and the classified backlink in this website. So this is the process. So how you can create your backlinks in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because it help me a lot to create backlinks and share the knowledge with you guys. So I hope you can help me something. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.